Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I just got a quick couple of things. So I went to Walmart. Their things are not marked down yet, but I thought that I would share anyway. I couldn't resist this. And I keep saying I don't like gnomes, but I keep picking them up, don't I? So I thought that these were cute. You can use them as gift tags, but I like to kind of use them in my December daily. So I thought that I would share that. And this one is super cute. This reminds me of the Coca-Cola um, Santa. So I picked this one up. And then I picked this one up. I thought this would be really cute in December daily. As well as this one. Usually they come, I pick these up every year. They're usually a little bit different, and this one this year looked really cute to me. So I picked that up. And then this I thought would be cute. Even it's an ornament, but I thought it'd be cute. It might even be cute on the outside. I'm not sure of my album, but I will check it out and see if I like it like that. If not, it's still just cute. All right, and then hopefully I can pick up some of these after Christmas. I picked up this one. I'm gonna put a gift card in it for my son, but I thought it was really cute. And hopefully I can pick up more of these after Christmas because right now it's $4. All right. And I was at Michael's. I got a couple of those activity kits for a couple of my little cousins, and while I was there, they are still clearancing out a bunch of these Jolie's. So these were 99 cents. So I picked these up. I only picked up two. And then this was also 99 cents. Picked up one of those. And then this one, I thought this would be cute in a planner for winter months. And then I have like this whole theme from this other Little Sum, I think that is the name of it. It is a washi tape. It's kind of like Coffee Monsters Co., but it's got little emojis and stuff like that. So, but there is one little theme that is about the fair and everything, and I thought that this would go along good with it. Okay, and so that is all I picked up. Now, I did pick up some Hobby Lobby stuff, but I know y'all are kind of like flooded with Hobby Lobby stuff, so I didn't even bother sharing that. It's only a few things that I picked up anyway, um, so I'm gonna spare y'all that. But I did pick up Simply Gilded. She has a bunch of her things, old clips, like some older kits and stuff. So I picked these up. So I've never ordered from Simply Gilded before. I really like their stuff. Now, but it's kind of expensive, and even though their stuff is really pretty, I usually don't go that route. See, like I got this from Archer&olive, and so now that I'm more into like journaling and that kind of thing, I went ahead and picked up some washi tapes that would look good in a journal. Because even though I thought Simply Gilded products are really pretty, it wasn't the kind of thing that I usually use in my scrapbooking. But this would be super cute in those journals. All right, so let's see. I think that this is probably a freebie. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. And then we got this. Pretty. And then this. This is so gorgeous. Is this a sticker? Or is this a postcard? Let's see. Okay, it's a postcard. Oh, that's pretty. That is gorgeous. See, I think that these things are really, really pretty, but I used to really didn't have a lot of use for it. But now I believe I do have a use for it. Okay. So let's look at these, because I just could not resist these. And I'm usually not all into pink and frilly and all that kind of stuff, but I guess my tastes are changing. I mean, I can always recognize that it's pretty, but it just wasn't something I would use. But now it is. I hope. Okay, because we're getting a lot of glare. Let's see. All right, so this is like a gold dinner table type thing. Isn't that pretty? It would take me too much time to unwrap those. All right, and so I hope you can get a good idea of what this is. So it's like, I keep wanting to call it, yeah, that's what it is, Once Upon a Time. Because I kept wanting to call it like something else, Enchanted Forest or something. But it's Once Upon a Time. Isn't that pretty? I think these are they slightly different? Yeah. Yeah, they are a little different. They look similar. Like one has got gold foil and the other one is something else. Maybe a little glitter in it. All right. And then I got these washi tapes. I thought these were really, really pretty. I don't usually use like delicately pretty floral stuff like that, but I am going to. And look at this. Isn't that pretty? Now this one and this one goes together. There's some kind of France, Paris theme. It's gorgeous. And then this one I thought was super pretty. I didn't get the whole kit that came with this. And even though this stuff is marked down, it's still accumulate. Isn't that pretty? Now I have a stamp set that I thought would be really pretty with this. All right. And then, let me see. I don't remember picking that up. I don't remember ordering that. Was that already in my basket or something? I don't remember ordering this. Let me see. Maybe it was a mystery. Let's see. Seemed like, yeah. Okay. So I ordered a mystery washi tape. So, I mean, this is okay, but I definitely wouldn't have picked this. Hence the mystery, right? I mean, it's okay. But anyway, that's kind of a dud. All right. I remember contemplating whether or not I wanted to do a mystery one. But I said everything was so pretty, I really couldn't go wrong, right? Yeah, right. All right, so this was a kit. This was a once upon a time standalone box kit. Let's see. All right, so you get a pen, and it's a gel pen. So this would be my first kit that I ever got from them. I didn't get a subscription. This was just a a kit that they had extras of. I was watching some YouTuber that was showing this kit, and I thought that is just gorgeous. All right, and then you get, so you get that. I'm wondering if this is the same. All right, so looks like these two bottom ones are the same. Yeah. But that's okay, because it's really, well, look at that. And is it? I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. I guess it's the same. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. It looks like it's the same. Anyway, let's see. Oh, and then we get more. All right. Look like I doubled. I bought the same things over and over. Let's see. So we got foiling. Oh, and I had to have this little scene right here. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. And then we had this. All right. And then this looks like, but it's not the same. Kind of looks like that, but it's not the same. It's different. Okay, so now I gotta see, do I have like a bunch of the same thing? Okay, here we go. All right, so look like I did. Look like I doubled up on this, but I'm not unhappy about that at all. So these two look like the same, and these two look like the same. So I should have a lot of that. All right. But isn't it so pretty? It's just gorgeous. All of this looks like it goes together. All right. Let's see. And then you get this little kit, which I guess I'll probably be using this in my Erin Condren. Put these in the little boxes, I guess. So this is pretty. I don't usually like over decorate. I like the Mambi stickers. Like, I know a lot of people, they cover up the boxes and stuff, and I don't usually do that. I don't like covering up what I bought. Because I bought it for a reason, right? So let's see. I can show you what I'm talking about. So like, so I kind of do minimal, you know? I just kind of enhance what they already have. Let's see. Okay. So like I'm behind this week. And then I stamped that. Let's see, I only have a little bit of January done. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Okay, but so I thought I would look to see if these even fit those boxes. right quick. So, yeah, well, it looked like it's a little too big, but I guess I'll trim it down. All right. So let's look at the last thing. So I got all these different systems, and then I bought something else because it was just, I just really wanted it. Okay, so, oh, wait a minute. I thought that this would be the same size as my life planner, but it's not. It's the same. Let me see. I guess it is, but I thought it would be thicker because my plan was I was going to uncoil this. I was going to switch. So I'm not going to do that because this is way too small. All right. So this is in, I think they called it a planner companion. And it is Undated. But I really like this cover, and I like the idea that it was 2023. So I thought that I was going to switch the coil and the cover and put it on this one. So that's not going to work at all. All right, so I'm going to have to just use this when I can. Okay, so that's all I had to share today, guys. I hope you can see this with all the glare. But, well, I don't guess I can get that any better. All right, guys, it was, I'll talk to you later. Bye.